Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison. Okay, today I'm gonna do review at the Holiday Inn Express Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur. Today I had this room 1629, and it's a standard room. If you can see, okay. Wait just a moment. This one I had 300, around 300 something, standard room. Okay. Okay, so the variety, or maybe the one that let's look inside what's inside. And then they have a breakfast also together on their coffee house. Okay, so let's go to the room. Come. This moment. Okay, toilet we go later on. So this is the room. Before that, mirror. Okay, so this is the room. Put my phone here. Chair looks nice, and then the fridge. It's well away. It's empty, and this is my bag. So this creamer, brown sugar, coffee mate, Nescafe. Okay, and then by their own Holiday Inn Express. Okay, and then this one, safety box. Okay, the decoration by that. See? Okay, here on the desk itself. Yeah, there's a Bluetooth FM, and also speaker. Speaker you can use. As the brand is SB T1 or what? The brand it's quite good also. And then the TV. It's a Sharp Aquos, but it's not a smart TV. But if you there's a USB port 2.0 and then HDMI 2 a few behind, so you can watch if you use USB, then you can use photo mode, music mode, and also movie also lah. All right, then yeah, so this space is about like this. There we go. And then the night view. The view, the one that I had, is like this. I'm gonna show you the picture later on. The one that I had. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, overall, yeah, it's a Holiday Inn. It's a good hotel. But 300 ringgit, I think better. We can go for another option like the service apartment or what. But if you are into this kind of sorry again, what's that? The yeah, the IHG one rewards. So the hotels behind here, if you are into like if you have Bonvoy, Marriott, and everything, so if you are one of the fans, so maybe this is for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Oh yeah, forgot about the toilet. Okay, so this is it. Okay, just a moment. Ta-da! Okay, all right. So yeah, that's a towel, and then there, and then, yeah. they have Dove hand wash, and then also the shower gel, Dove, if you into Dove lah, body shower wash and shampoo. But for me, not really that smells good, but it smells normal. Okay, that shower room, and this like this kind of small, and like that, and the amenities here, like that, and then here also. And a tissue here. Okay, that's it. Okay.